Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been such a long time and we have lots to talk about. Yeah, my life has changed completely. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I had a baby and a sweet little baby boy. His name is Kairos. And I can't wait to just sit down and film and tell you guys everything about what's been going on with me while I've been gone, okay? So, look out for those videos coming soon. I want to jump straight into this look. First of all, let's just talk about this hair. Okay? Like, can we talk about the thickness and the fullness and the lusciousness and the punks, honey? Okay. Let's get into this hair. So I decided to do a braid out. Haven't done a This is my second time doing a braid out. I did a braid out for a collab that I did with 4ix9ine and it came out great except for the fact that I used the Camille Rose Curl Maker as a gel and it flaked a little bit too much, well way too much, not a little bit, way too much for me. So I decided to go in with Twisted Sisters this time as my gel. It doesn't hold as good as Camille Rose, but the results were much better. Hardly any flaking, just a tad bit in the front. Like, but the results were much better because, honey, I love the curl maker, but that thing was a hot mess when it came to the flaking of my hair. So, let's get into this look. If you want to see how I got this warm braid out, honey, keep watching. Let's go.
All right, so getting started, I always start my styles on freshly washed hair. So you guys know, as you can see, I always part my hair as well in sections. Normally I do five, between 4 and 5, even sometimes 6 sections. But I do this because it's vital in styling my hair and making sure it's easier, making it easier to detangle and just overall faster, so it's more convenient. So I hydrated my hair with some water and then I went in with the hydrotherapy mist and I saturated each section of hair. And now each of these 5 sections I'm going to split in two. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'm going to make sure my hair is thoroughly hydrated with this hydrotherapy mist. If you have dry hair and you're in a pretty humid climate or a climate that doesn't have dry heat, this hydrotherapy mist is going to be your best friend, okay? Like it is mine. And so I'm moisturizing with the Twist and Curl Souffle. And then I'm going to go in with the Twisted Sisters Dream Curl Gel, and I'm going to add that, and then I'm going to braid. So I'm going to split my hair in about, I would say medium size sections, and I'm gonna braid each one. I love the Dream Curl gel in terms of it gave really good definition. It's not as slippery. It's a very light gel. It's not as slippery or thick as the Camille Rose Dream Curl Maker. I mean the Camille Rose Curl Maker, that nice jelly. I love the Camille Rose, don't get me wrong, it adds great shine and great definition, but I when I did a braid out the last time, I got such bad flaking and I was just so disappointed because I loved the definition it gave my curls. So Twisted Sisters did a good job in terms of the results that I was looking for. Didn't have much frizzing, got good definition. So I am going to do this all over the hair. As you can see, I am working in sections. I'm telling you, work in sections, section off your hair. Trust me, it makes doing your hair, doing your daughter's hair or whatever, so much easier. So in the front of my hair, I had to add some oil just because my hair has been so dry since having the baby, or actually since being pregnant. So I'm adding some extra moisture just to help out with this style because, honey, don't nobody got time for no dry hair, okay? So gonna finish this up after I braid my hair. I kept these braids in actually for 2 days. And then I took it down. So as you can see, once I take it down, the definition is still there. My hair is still very moisturized. And yeah, I just love, love, love this overall look, all right? So guys, let me know in the comments below. Have you ever tried a braid out? Or which one do you prefer? Braid outs or twist outs? Okay, y'all know, like I said, honey, I'm the flat twist queen. I never thought that I would actually like a braid out. And honey, this is like a 9 out of 10 in my book right now. Like I said, love the process. Now, the only thing about this in terms of braid outs is that the takedown is annoying. It is so annoying. Like, because you have to be very, very, very careful with how you're taking it out because you want to retain the definition. So here we are. Oh, and I will say with the Camille Rose, I got a little bit more length retention. So I got a little bit more stretch with the Camille Rose. But with the Twisted Sisters, this one wasn't as bad either. But the Camille Rose, I did get a little bit more stretch with the braid. Like, in terms of my braids didn't shrink as much at all, really. Another plus about that Camille Rose curl maker. So yeah, let me know, guys, braid out or twist out, which one you rooting for? Today I'm down with the braid out. My only con is that the length of time it takes like 2 hours to take down, just the same amount of time it takes to do my hair. That's the only issue I have. But other than that, y'all let me know what y'all think, and let's get into this growth. Y'all see my length coming back, right? We ain't gonna play. We ain't gonna play. Y'all see this length coming back, right? Okay, just making sure. Just making sure. All right, guys, let me finish this look. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite style. And yeah, we'll talk soon.
Alrighty, so let me know what you think. I absolutely love, love how this came out. I have never even considered doing braid outs before, like never. Y'all know I'm the twist out queen. I'm the flat twist queen because I don't even do two strand twist outs. But I think with my hair getting much thicker from the pregnancy, the braid out, like just the fullness, oh my goodness. And this is why I don't do like two strand twists and like, braid outs and stuff like that, because my hair wasn't as thick, so I wouldn't really get like the volume and the definition that I was looking for. But honey, first of all, you can see that my hair has grown tremendously since the last twist out video that I posted. And I mean, just the definition, the bounce is insane. Now, during my pregnancy, look, my hair got super duper duper dry. So I had to, as you can see, you saw throughout the video, I had to really put in the work. I deep conditioned overnight with the moisture repair cream, and I added the moisture repair elixir to that. I also used the leave-in conditioning milk. I had to really treat my hair and just try to infuse as much moisture as I could, because sis was super dry. So that worked out really well. My hair was still really nice and moisturized after I washed the deep conditioner out, the moisture repair cream. My curls were still very, very defined. And I think that really helped. But in the front of my hair, I think the front of my hair is actually high porosity because it doesn't hold moisture like the back. So next time what I'll do, especially because we're still in the winter season, even though I'm in South Florida, and honey, it don't feel like winter, my hair responds every year around the same time. My hair, for some reason, it's so hard in the middle to retain moisture. So what I'm gonna start doing is using a steamer. I have a steamer, I have a face steamer. I'm gonna use that when I'm twisting my hair to help keep the cuticles open so it can absorb the twist and curl souffle. I wanted to do that, but I had no time. I was tired. My baby was crying. I'm trying to multitask. I was sitting here taking out my twist, my takedown while I was pumping, and the baby was crying because he was hungry. Oh, child, life has changed, honey. Life has changed. But I'm excited. It's a beautiful change. I embrace the change, and it's just motherhood is such a wonderful journey. All right, guys. So This is the finished look. As you can see, the bounce is there, honey. I'm just loving, like, I thought twist outs would be my thing, but this braid out, honey, it took 2 hours to do, and I think like felt like 2 hours to take down. The takedown part of it is annoying. The braiding part of it is easy, but taking down is very annoying. I love how my ends stayed curled. That's how I know my hair is in a really good state, because I twirled the ends of my hair and it's still twirled. Love it. All right, guys, so let me go. That's enough talking for now. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, of course. Subscribe if you like this video. And leave a comment below letting me know if you like this video. Boo-boo. All right, I will see y'all later. Love y'all. Bye.